course, food has always been the king's strongest point.
Crunchy, munchy, delightful, divine, I just love eating all of the time. A plate is great if it's filled to the brim, pieces with flies spilling over the rim. Whatever it is, if it's eaten, it's bliss. When it's put on the table, I'll grin. For burgers of beef, I'll slip in my teeth and pick up my fork and tuck in. Oh, pastrami with ham, a glutton I am. I'll eat it all night and all day. If you leave in the fridge just the tiniest smidge of food, I will wolf it away. I love my food, all of my food. Since I started to eat, each day's been a treat. First 2 meals, then 3, and now 4. Even after the crumbles, my tummy still rumbles, and I'll have just a little bit more. I was told for a dare that the larder was bare, no food in the house to be found. But my ravenous look so frightened the cook that I chased her around and around. I love my food, all of my food. Servants quake as the floorboards all shake, and they've reinforced all of the seats. And the shirt that you see is so tiny on me, yet it's made from 17 sheets. The horse that I own just grumbled and groaned, he could smell all the fields that were best. And because of my weight, we've fitted of late some scaffolding under his chest. I love my food, all of my food. Chicken in a basket, fries with barbecue relish, anything will do as long as it's hot and fattening. Hamburgers, salami, turkey at Thanksgiving, I don't mind. Sweet corn now and again, just pile it all on. Isn't there any more?
Go to the kitchen.